Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to discuss one of the safest B vitamins out there, vitamin B12. Now, a mentor of mine, Dr. Jonathan Wright, is fond of saying that the only way you can overdose on vitamin B12 is if you drown in a bathtub full of it. Now, B12 is different from the other B vitamins in that it is only produced by bacteria. Your body is simply unable to produce it, so it relies on animal sources to get enough of this important B vitamin. Now, many believe that only vegetarians are at risk of having a B12 deficiency, but this is actually a myth. It's estimated that as many as 1 in 4 people, mostly non-vegetarians, may be deficient in this vital nutrient, which is so important for your cardiovascular, nervous system, and cognitive health. Now, vitamin B12 helps produce hemoglobin in your red blood cells, support nerve function, and ensure your body uses homocysteine in your blood for healthy cardiac and brain function. Now, a deficiency of B12 can result when you don't get enough of it from your diet, which is why vegetarians often are deficient since they avoid most animal foods. Now, but certain conditions can also prevent you from absorbing what you need. This is especially a concern for elderly individuals as their ability to absorb vitamin B12 in the small intestine declines with age. And this is related to the fact that the B12 molecule is such a large molecule that it needs a special glycoprotein that's produced in your stomach, and it's called intrinsic factor. And it needs this to absorb it in your small intestine. Now, to make matters even worse, vitamin B12 deficiency is a sneaky condition. Its early signs are easy to dismiss or attribute to something else. Symptoms like joint pain, feeling tired, fuzzy thinking, and developing pins and needles in your hands are just a few of the early signs that shouldn't be ignored, as they can progress to something far more serious. Now, when taking vitamin B12 supplement can help ensure that you get enough, you have to make sure you choose the right type. Let me tell you more about that. Methylcobalamin is the active form of the vitamin and has been shown to have superior benefits. However, big point here, most supplements on the market contain the less effective form called cyanocobalamin. Now, the cyano is short for cyanide, which should be avoided because large doses of it can shut down your mitochondria and lead to premature cell death. Now, our methyl B12 energy boost avoids cyanide and provides the preferred active form of B12 that's quick and easy to use. And this is important, it's really convenient to use because there's no pills to swallow. You simply spray it into your mouth, and a very pleasant, naturally flavored, fine mist promotes rapid absorption of the methylcobalamin into your bloodstream, tissues, and cells. Now, I take this regularly, and I suggest you consider taking control of your health by adding methyl B12 energy boost to your regimen too.